Hi everyone, my name is Maria. I am an executive assistant to a CEO and a business owner, and I was hired by HireUA. My role on a high level is about reducing the number of headaches that the business owner has and helping him balance his personal life and his business world. And therefore, my pool of responsibilities is really large. It includes both running personal errands like calls, bookings, scheduling, travel arrangements, and also dealing with operational issues in the business like taxation, banking, hiring staff, vendors, and all the other important business aspects. The best part of my job for me is getting a chance to work directly with the most successful people in the industry, with founders and executives, the true winners who have gained a lot of knowledge and have proved their competence in the market. My experience with HireUA has been exceptionally positive from the very beginning because they helped me understand everything I needed to know about the role. They arranged a very smooth interviewing process, and they also helped me negotiate the aspects that were important for me in the workplace to my future employer. I would recommend everyone to work with HireUA because they are very skillful in recruitment and they understand both the Ukrainian context and also the Western talent requirements. And also their team is just very responsive. They are always there to help and they walk an extra mile to comfort both the employee and the employer and work out the best working processes possible for the remote work. Thank you very much, and I hope that your perfect executive assistant is right around the corner.